Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today, we have the AirPods with wireless charging. Did you guys get a good look at the box? Let's get this open. Can't forget that they always put their design by Apple in California. Here's the instructions and warranty. Safety and handling. Here we go. The first impression of this is it looks exactly like the old AirPods. I think the only difference is the wireless charging. I actually have the old AirPods right here. Oh, looks like they added a charging light right here too. They also brought in the AirPod Pros so that you guys can see the difference with AirPod Pros. They have wireless charging too, but they have a better fit to them. Here's the charger. It looks like you can use the old charging boxes instead of the new ones. That looks to be the end of the box. Thank you for joining us. If you guys have any more unboxing recommendations, please comment down below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.